Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G NE and let me show you how to turn on and off camera shutter sound at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Let me take a picture. As you can hear, the sound is turned on. To turn it off, let's go to right corner button. When we pick it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to left side and pick settings, so we can open them. Here we have to slide a little bit down to general settings category, and now at the third place we have shutter sound option. So by using the button from the right, we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. Let me keep it turned off, and when I move back to camera and take another picture, we can't hear sound. And of course, when we go to right corner options once again, then left settings, slide down to general and turn on sound here, we can hear it again. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.